Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I was just chilling, watching Netflix over there. I'm currently watching The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. It's good so far. Anyways, as you can see, I'm barefaced today, which means today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial video. But you guys probably already know that from the title. The products that I am going to use are all from Givenchy. These products were given to me, so I am so excited to see what kind of look that I can create using all these products that has been given to me. So you know what? Let's go right into the tutorial. Alright, now that I have you much closer to me and I've already made sure my tudung is away from my face, I'm gonna start off with primer. The primer that I'll be using today is the Givenchy Prisme primer. This is a color correcting primer and it has SPF 20 PA+++. The foundation that I'll be using today will be the Givenchy Matissime Velvet Foundation, and this also has SPF 20 PA+++. This has a lot of good reviews in Sephora, and also I saw some in YouTube as well, so I am super excited to put this on. Oh, and I am wearing the shade 3.5 Matte Vanilla. I'm using the Beauty Blender to blend out my foundation as I would usually do. Next, we're going to move on to the brows. I'll be using the Givenchy eyebrow pencil in 03 Dark Brunette. And now I'm going to start filling in my brows. Conceal my eyebrows, but this is totally optional. You don't have to do it if you're really good at drawing your brows. I just like to do it because I like my brows to be neat and nice, and that's pretty good. I'm gonna move on straight to the eyes. I always like to use an eyeshadow primer first before putting on eyeshadow, just to make sure that my eyeshadow stays in place the whole day. Alright, for eyeshadow today, I'll be using Givenchy's Prisme Quatuor Intense and Radiant Eyeshadow in number 1 Caresse. First, I'm gonna take this pink color right here and apply it on a blending brush, and this is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm gonna take this dark brown color from the top left and apply that on the crease. Start with the outer corner and then work your way into the crease. Next, I'm gonna take this dark brown color on the top right and put that color right on the outer corners of my eyes, just to deepen the eyes a little bit more, give it a little bit more dimension. Next, take the shimmery champagne color on the bottom right and apply that on your eyelid, beginning from the inner corners towards the center. I'm gonna just blend it out to the back. And then you'll have something like that. Then go back to the dark brown shade that we used for the crease, and I'm gonna apply that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. For mascara, we'll be using the Givenchy Noir Couture mascara in black satin. Pop on some falsies and I'll be right back. Alright, I just realized that I made a mistake. I put on my falsies, but supposedly I'm supposed to put on this blue eyeliner first before I put on my falsies. So it's okay, I'm still gonna put on this eyeliner and we'll just fix it along the way. That's the blue eyeliner on already. I'm gonna use some concealer to highlight the high points of my face. to set this concealer, I'm gonna use the Givenchy Prisme Libre Matte Finish and Enhance Radiance Loose Powder. That just sets in beautifully. I love this finishing. And next, I'm gonna move on with contour. You can use any contour powder that you want. Right, and then on to my favorite part of makeup, which is the blusher. I'll be using the Givenchy Prisme Blush in the code 04 Rite. Next, I'm going to continue with highlight, just highlighting the areas that I would usually put on a little bit of highlight. Nothing too extravagant. Finally, time for the lips, which is probably the most important part of this look. And of course, I'll be using the star of the show, the Givenchy Rouge Liquide in 107 Nude Velours. This liquid lipstick is a really unique in a way it's packaged. It has a spongy tip, and although it looks like the classical lipstick, it is actually a liquid lipstick. It has a velvety finish. And voila, we are done with this look. Alrighty, so this is it. This is the final look that I've come up with. I had fun trying all these new Givenchy products, at least new to me. I absolutely love the foundation. I think it applies on really well, and I understand the hype of the foundation. Also, not forgetting the new Le Rouge Liquide lipstick. This lipstick is nothing like I've ever seen before, which probably makes sense that its tagline is "This is not what you think it is." All in all of the products were really easy for me to work with, although it's like the first time that I'm using them. The powder is also pretty good. The eyeshadow actually worked better than I thought that it would. I'm actually pretty impressed that I'm able to pull off this look. I mean, blue eyeliner, I almost never do that. I hope it inspires you to create a makeup look, maybe something like this. All of the Givenchy products that I have used to create this look today will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I'll also link their website where you can get more info on the products that I used today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below. Alright, that's all from me, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.